Hi, I'm Akila and this is Aya. Welcome to Tagalog for Kids. I'm two. Kids. Today we're going to learn back to school words. Let's start. School is eskwelahan. School, eskwelahan. Back to school is balik, eskwela. Balik, eskwela. Teacher and students. Teacher is guro. Guro. Student is estudyante. 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 Classmate or kaklase. 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 Principal or punong-guro. 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 Packed lunch or baon. 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 Next is blackboard or pisara. 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 Pencil or lapis. 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 Notebook or kuwaderno. 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 Book or libro. 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 Yay! Eraser or pambura. Pambura. Sharpener or pantasa. 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 Scissors or gunting. 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 Paper or papel. 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 Glue or pandikit. Pandikit. Crayons or krayola. 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 Ruler or panukat. 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 Class or klase. 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 Classroom is silid-aralan. 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 Playground or palaruan. Palaruan. Paulan. Library or silid-aklatan. Silid-aklatan. Silid-aklan. Chair or upuan. Upuan. Program. Test is pagsusulit. 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 Uniform or uniporme. Uniforme. Uniforme. Dismissal, time to go. Or uwian na. Uwian na. Uwi na. Okay, that's all for today. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. Bye. Akila out. Speaking of vegetable,